Hey guys, welcome back to Racket Headquarters. Wanted to do a walkthrough today of our Racket fully welded line of truck racks. These are fully welded one piece. These are offered in the Western United States through our Racket dealers and distributors only. For racks for other areas of the country, we do have our line of SureFit truck racks, which is a modular bolt-together system that can be distributed and shipped nationwide. So go to our website, surefitracks.com, to find out more information on that. But let's get into these Racket racks. We're going to start with our 1000 series unit, move on over to the 2000 series forklift loadable rack, and then finally we'll finish up with our 3000 series camper shell unit. So right here you have the 1000 series. This is our what we call our standard rack. This is probably our most popular moving rack today. It's just got a make and model specific design. It's all Schedule 10 steel pipe. We build these model specific, so you have a nice long overhang here for whether you have a standard cab, an extended cab, or a crew cab. We build the overhang to match up with your application. So these are great. This actually has a powder coat finish on this rack. Most of the racks do come with a wet paint finish, but powder coat finish is an upgrade. You can check that out with your local dealer. Let's walk on over here to the forklift loadable unit. These are really unique racks because they have a elevated crossbars. You can see this crossbar here sits at a higher elevation. This middle crossbar is at the same height, and then the leading edge of the rack, that's at the same height as well. Where you get the forklift accessible option is these bars drop down, so you could come in from the side with a forklift, pull in, set the load down on the crossbars, and then back out. So you get a nice feature there for loading heavy materials, for loading large loads. It just really helps alleviate the process of hand loading and unloading the material. Heavily used by hardcore tradesmen and women, contractors, getting materials to and from their job site. Once again, fully welded construction on this guy as well. Gloss black enamel finish. And as mentioned, all racks are make and model specific. This is our 2000 series forklift loadable rack. Let's move on down here. We could see if you have a camper shell on your truck. We do make a rack to work in conjunction with those camper shells or toppers. Really cool design on these. We build the rack to come down and sit on these camper shell pads. They offset off the bed rail of the vehicle. Leg comes down and is welded to that pad. This is a heavy duty steel pad that the rack is going to mount to. You get a full length bed rail once again here. This is flat bar that connects these pads that helps distribute the weight evenly among the truck's bed rail. Once again, make and model specific, and this works in conjunction with all different types of shells. Whether you got an ARE shell, a snug top shell, a Lear shell, our racks work in conjunction with nearly every shell out on the market. So once again, you have three distinct styles. You have your standard rack, your forklift loadable rack, and then racks that work with camper shells. All of our racks can be found online at www.racketinc.com, and on the website you also see a dealer list, so you can pick out which dealer is close to your area and get some more information about these great racks.